Hi everyone! Today we're going to take a closer look at the Score Factors feature in My Credit Manager within online and mobile banking. This demonstration uses fictional data for demonstration purposes only. If you're on a mobile device, simply download the LAFCU mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store to access these features. The Score Factors module highlights the essential components that shape your credit score, giving you insights into what drives your score and how you can improve it. On the dashboard, you'll find the categories Payment History, Credit Card Use, Derogatory Marks, Credit Age, Total Accounts, and Hard Inquiries, all critical factors that contribute to your overall credit health. Payment history is one of the most critical factors in your credit score. Maintaining a strong record of on-time payments helps boost your score and shows lenders you're a reliable borrower. Credit card use refers to your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. This section also allows you to see a detailed overview of your credit card accounts, helping you monitor and manage your spending habits more effectively. Derogatory marks can significantly impact your credit score. This section shows any negative items on your report, so you can address them and work towards improving your credit. Credit age reflects the length of your credit history. Generally, a longer credit history can contribute to a higher credit score, showing lenders that you have more experience managing credit. Total accounts represents the number of credit accounts you have. A diverse mix of accounts, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can positively influence your credit score. Hard inquiries occur when lenders check your credit report before approving new credit. This section lists the amount of times a hard inquiry was made, as well as who pulled your report and when. By monitoring this information, you can avoid multiple inquiries in a short time, which helps protect your credit score from unnecessary dips. Understanding these score factors, you can take targeted actions to improve your credit score. Whether it's making timely payments, reducing credit card balances, or diversifying your credit accounts, each step you take brings you closer to better financial opportunities. Empower your financial future today by using the Score Factors feature in My Credit Manager and online and mobile banking. Thank you for joining us.